Hello guys, this is Sanshradhi and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to show you how to make a table in HTML. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. To make a table, you have to introduce to some tags like TR tag, TD tag and table tag. So what is TR tag, TD tag and TR tag, and what is table tag? So I'm going to my HTML folder and open with code. After that, I will close photo.html and close this terminal, and I will make a new file which name is 5.html. After that, I will write my basic code. So here you can see I have written my basic code. After that, I will write there table tag. Okay, table tag is used for make a table, and TR tag stands for table row. TR tag is used for make a table row. Okay, and TD tag stands for table data. It's used for make cells. Okay, columns. And TH tag is used for make a heading, table heading. Okay, it stands for table heading. So I will write TR tag and I will open this file 5.html, and here I will save this and refresh this. So here you can not see this, and there I will add TD tag and I will write unch. Save and refresh. Here you can see unch. Okay, but where is the table? You have to write there border 1. Okay, save and refresh. So here you can see the table. Okay, this is the first row and 1 column, and there I will add more columns. TD refresh there. You can see unsubscribe. So this is a row and columns. Okay, and now I will teach what is TH. TH stands for table heading. For example, I will remove that. Okay, and there I will TR and name. Oh, sorry. Control X for cut it. TR and TD and paste it here. And there I will also add one more TD age. Refresh there so you can see their name and age. Okay, and I will add one more table row in TD, and there I will add Sushant and TD 24 years. Okay, and save and refresh it. So you can see there I make a table, but this table is so small. So how to control the size of table? Here you can write height. I will add 40 pixels and width 50 pixels. Save and refresh there. It's still small, so I will 80 and width 100. It's still small, so I will add there 0 and 0. Now you can see this table is now so big. So here you can control the height and width. Okay, and there I will add 400. Okay, so now I will make this and this. Okay, now this looks good. Okay. So now you know how to make a row, how to make columns. Okay, and there I will add one more row, and there I will add Ankit, and one more TD, and here I will add 25 years. Oh, here I written TD. So now, okay. Then what is TH? Like TH means table heading, and their age and name is the heading of the table. Okay, so here I will add TH, and here also I will add TH, and save, refresh. Now this looks good. Okay, name, age. So that is it. If you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.